Key man, tougher than Lyical. Yo.
You know, say Lyical a tough truck. You ever run up in one of them there and live after that?
We no punk on the battlefield, no we no wet bread. Pussy far around, we and play and go get dead. Me not here, meds like John Un, Vladimir, lose me.
We no punk on the battlefield. No, we no wet bread. I was trying to notice them that.
Lose me hell down now, nothing to me, nothing to me. Nah industry, I mean a key man.
Lose me elder now, nothing to me, nothing to me. You know how kind of chat that? You know, I say I crash it dog ready if you crash out. Now we take like song, key man. I break down say. Key men often possess unique skills. Can't deny say dog talented. For the dog forward in the game, lyrics after lyrics, hits after hits. Specialized knowledge. A dog don't know if he maneuver a game. Enough you try with the gimmicks, little gimmickry after a dog and couldn't bust like a dog. To this day, or some of them youth that actually got tattoo eyeball for true. Or some of them youth that what did all. You remember you to put on all the two on them and further and thing. How them under there? Anyway. Establish relationships with clients that are we the fans that are difficult to replace. We don't even have to dwell upon that too long. Dog check all our box them. Moving on.
Nothing to me, nah industry. I mean a key man, artists get hype and then sink like quicksand with his strong.
Artists get a hype and then sink like quicksand. Can't tell when the last one of them little youth ever claims that they did a run dance all other day. Can't tell when last time Jack not no at. Different from Valley and Town 450 and Archdale is all shot. Molly done. No for the youth ever did at. All 8-9 months ago. I see them now. Can't drop nothing for save their life. Can't ramp with big artist youth legacy.
Sink like quicksand with his strong CW9. Heal it any friction. Shooters them I aim for you. Aim for your head dog. Full of paper yeah.
CW9, deal with any friction. Hero is on. 79 magazine, one in a chamber. You need more than that?
Heal it any friction. Shooters them I aim for you. Aim for your head dog.
Full of paper, yeah. Facts. Me them afraid Masicka.
Full of paper, yeah. Me them afraid of. Me trick no can't trick me out here, what? Nah go work, you dig. Now watch the internet, I be a idiot, them run with, bro. My pocket full of.
Now watch the internet, I be a idiot, they run with it. Brother, come like him and read mine when you write that line to blood clear. Yo, some people will get some hype. Artists and media personality are like online, brother. Actually, people, some of the people them will have the most credible thing them for say are true, then caught up with some other things, man. Tell you that. Because, brother, and I always want to see how it shine. And sometimes I even sometimes, most of the time I all the fans them to, because if I don't give them attention, then can't get it. Brother, some people watch chat about garbage online, some artists want to give some highlight, brother.
I be a idiot, them run with, bro. My pocket full of garbage, spend that fast.
My pocket full of garbage, spend that fast. Hey, because I hear it, dog, say it so simply, you know. I know that flavor enough people head, you know. Because even me first time listening to it, I think I cabbage dog, I say. Because I know it's a lot of easiest go-to line. But meds were part just say a while ago. My pocket full of garbage. Want to do with garbage? Now dash with that. So I dog say in the next line, spend that fast. Come like I just trash it dog, I look at this pan to you, where dog rich, where dog heavy.
Not fast, me and them not in a beef, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo me.
Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. Again. Who for artists that dog?
Me and them not in a beef, much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo me, all day we flash. Walk the walk, talk the.
When me see some of them a brag about me, you laugh. How are you, man? Because see thing here, see if you don't follow up a dog, enough more for a dog me quite. You get me as unless you're part of core fan base or you really want data fan. Because bro, medicine, we don't even have to call the name. But the artists them that Jamaica, for example, then drive a one GLE. Zane, can we go down your list? Nothing call the name. Bro, remember good. Years ago, Alka supposed to be first dancehall artist. I dropped GLE, brand new, boom. Remember? Dog turn up with a bad picture with the split stage boom and you see me I say? And the GLE just there in the foreground there so. Behind him park up here to see tail light them from the first shape GLE. Alright, boom, see. So, to that them on the bro, where you see enough of them artists, yeah, scammer, you name it, entertainer, anybody where you see drop all on GLE, you know. Kind of that long time, brother, years ago, old news, they sitting there and fly past all long. So you're supposed to say, hold on, wanna hype over now? Then, brother, no, for the kid, I go miss level done zero that already. What else? I remember, you know, the dog not gonna post all our vehicle and make you say. But that's what we know of, Zane. So when I do every single vehicle, like I would have thought about the whole Bima and everything like that went from before. But boom, chat boy GLE. Now when I say artists, I say boy, if they could, you know, and that for them go to. Everybody go to right now on GLE and even like the biggest one them I get. If you know about car, you know say I want 163S. But anyway, besides the points, all them man I get B53. But moving on. Yesterday so boom, a dog have a G-Wagon. Different from being man and Kartel, I buy them the other day. Legacy artists, have them dirty money, rich. How much artists is here in Jamaica drive G-Wagon? How much? Put an artist in the comment section now. Where phone artist with the G-Wagon there, see? Alright, cool. But I want more. Yesterday so boom, dog don't have a Lamborghini Urus. So now because you see, this artist a drop one and post and she drop one and post and really and thing. Dog been up that same way too. So that's why when the dog say, yo, what them a brag about, bro? Then drive on Porsche, SUV, and a brand, you know, bro. So don't get it misconstrued. So I say if you're a car person, you will know. There's a difference between having a Porsche Macan or a Porsche Cayenne and having a Porsche 911 Turbo S or a 911 GT3 RS or a GT2 RS or you get me I say? Yeah. Different league them there. Porsche SUV, that one money. Basically when I have an actual supercar, different money. Moving on.
Nothing don't hire than me. Try to warn me. Wanna time tire army. Means up off for the weed, it never did that call me.
Nothing don't hire than me. Kartel him attack. Whole king argument that get crowned other day. Big up Kartel, see me. Cause up until this point, and I probably listen every day and I say, oh dog, this a dog, I'm Alkaline fan and Riri and thing. Brother, me have fan of great music. So if I want thing, don't ever forward over here so I feel like saying on one artist, me say. Know that. But yeah man, Kartel the dog attack this so when I hear him say, yo. You see me, nobody not higher than him. So basically you not put nobody above himself. Which any self-respecting dancehall artists who think they worth their salt go have the opinion they too. So can't blame a dog for that. Moving on.
Try to warn me. Wanna time tire army. Means up off for the weed, it never did that call me. Use my name for
try to war me. Roll out an entire army. Cause remember good enough. It's a different from all Kartel and one and two other artists in a game. No, whole heap of man not have that under their belt, then dance all resume. If you can't say, oh, in a clashing, then take all whole camp. Take on all 2, 3, 4 artists one time. Remember good enough. Because if you are young in them, you know, while you're listening, I'm putting up on game too. You see, back in the day when I stay so boom, and Kartel take all the whole alliance. Shell down Bounty, shell down Busy. Sharon Burke pick up straight shot youth. They get me and say, Mavado, Bling Dog. I'll marshal to let everybody get it. Closest thing to that in a modern dancehall now. You go have, you name it. You remember when Alkaline take on what? Tommy Lee and Popcorn simultaneously. While still a throw jobs at Kartel or the answer anyway you want to look funny. Zine, fast forward again. Dark take on the 6 camp. I take on Squash Man and Laba same time, same way too. You see me I say? To this day, Dark still no lose no war. You see me I say? Me personally, I rate a back and forth with them. But after chat still, but with them, Tommy Lee same way, you know? Yeah, man, enough of them are them and giving so it said, yeah, but you know, and you know, it's a big hit song come out of them the same year too. Namely the one them with Popcorn, you know. So Alka done battle tested. And that's why enough the business wow no want to say. So when it come on to testing your lyrical prowess and being battle tested as a dancehall artist, Masicka can't out to Alkaline. You hear me I say? Not saying that Masicka no one bad artist, because Masicka one phenomenal DJ. Can't take that from him. So before I come with enough fool and dark comment, I'm telling you now, run up. Anyway. But you see when Sicka when just forward on the scene, the dog want war anyhow everybody can war. He hungry, they might try to shoot after anybody rare and thing. Alka have enough dopey and a theme belt. Since Masicka bus and reach where him reach the dance and so him no want war nobody. This man, the boy they make the fans they make so many excuses for this man. Yo, this man you know the panny man level and he not got address this man and he not got. So when him went bus or when they try bus and when they throw shot after Donia, throw shot after Demarco, and my boy the name IR, all of them man there. Keep yo, I don't know who him man not try show shot after. I blow a name man there. For all who don't know that I mean governor name before. But anyway. But no, this a dog and I want war nobody but you claims everybody's thing. Bro, nobody can lay him out the thing. So if I want thing, you can't take that from Alka. A dog don't show why you can't up on the battlefield or in a dancer.
Means up off for the weed, it nobody that call me. Use my name to get a viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the ride, love me no apart.
He was my name to get a viral, it kinda canny out. Hey. Boy, I would even have to go into that, I swear. You could have read this a dancehall today, yesterday, last 10 years. And been I use a dog name for talking points. Boy, you can't find clips, you name it. You see me, boy, I try to draw the dog and things, so. It was a female lane already, you know, really run up in a mead and kind of stay to himself over one part and thing. And see, you think I know, up until this point, you know, even the go on work for your dog. Because I say, you know, that's the mental I say, you know, youth. Good music is supporting, you know, I say, fuck them with a skull, you know. So you have to split justice. So I can split the babies in. You see, when Alka in our shadows have up that mystique there, yeah, man, whoever rock with him, core audience, bandwagonist, whatever, anybody want to jump over this, so they rock with him for that. You see me, I say, even to the point where when he come out and give one fucking interview, then still they make excuse for him, said wait one and say, yo, I trade dog name, I said this and that and rare and brother, tell me I'm gonna sleep at night because I must be batty, man. Anyway, watch his style, I know. Yes, if you do that, bro, do that and make it work for you. But it's like it come like a outer practice when reach a dog. Because when I forward for out shadows and then see thing I know too, when I'm good for your image to Alkaline attack. It's when I forward out now and the people them go start having to say boy since Kartel reach back road make you want to run come do interview, which I wouldn't just that if that part of reason to, you know. Because again if you follow the whole trajectory, the whole media game and since Kartel release and everything, all of them because something that tied together, you know. When the promoter from Canada, when they talk to Anthony Miller upon here the other day and I say, yo, dog, inaccessible and this and that and rare and thing. That's why I'm telling you now, bro. You have to just open your ears and listen if you understand and don't understand, listen if you answer. Because the promoter did give Alkaline flowers and say, yo, if you really meds it, Kartel the king, Alkaline is like the prince of dancehall. Nothing wrong with that, bro. You see me, I say, and a boy, if you even forward as runner up to dancehall, and how much great artists in a dancehall, past and present. Anyway, but right after that, the dog run come out and say, I'm going to do Cliff Hughes interview. First of all, it shouldn't even be Cliff Hughes. Care what you want to say about that year and they chuck off again. Shouldn't be Cliff Hughes. Never have no entertainment background like that for hardcore dancehall journalism. Forward out, the interview flap. Cliff Hughes himself come and say, yo, it unbearable for him, it's so painful, this, that, and the third. You get me, I say, could I stay? You see me, I say, we are wait damn near 10 years for an interview and that we get. That could I stay. Yes, me I say, bro. So you forward not know and giving this, dry, seemingly unprepared, not wanting to be there type of energy and again dry interview, things like that help your image, bro. You see me I say? So with that being said,
come round for the ride, love me know a parter. Me meet a slut, me ask if she give a brata. Them the rough like my dog, none of them know, sir. Just fuck me and deal with now.
me meet a slug, me ask if she give a brata. Again, bro. And this one take, I'm not really see nobody at touch pan either, So I mean, I tell her, certain things go fly over on the head. Uno go just take it at face value most of the fans them. And I say, yo, see the dog, watch out, dog, I'll forward back with the brata. Some I laugh, some I defend it, some I say could I do without. See man, all I tell man for suck them in the comment section because next fan I say, yo, you should have just done the brata thing. But bro, you think him bring it back for what? Nostalgia or you feel say is yo, me see it for see why people them go say about it and bro, here's also a different take. You see, all this attention, what they... Yo, you don't need to meds this, You see, until or before Kartel led forward out, remember, I did one thing for sure, spotlight with, let's say, one Masicka, one Popcorn. But since Kartel forward out, brother, Kartel been at eclipse everybody in a dance hall. You get me, I say? As me say, who no agree, that a phone a business, me I tell them my opinion. And if you want, did they go check in numbers, them also did it. Since Kartel forward out from prison, he been a suck up all the oxygen, but after chat the inner the room, feel like have a better analogy. A man been they make most of the light a shine upon him. Zine? And even when some of the light go over to Alkaline side, they still comparing back to Kartel, which again is still a great feat. So not saying that is something bad, but it go take away from some Alkaline light, some Alkaline shine. I think Alkaline I idiot. And I think a dog want give on the talking point same way too. Alright. Meds this. You don't know what's Alkaline really posy. Why after the Kartel forward out in the interview one? Why after the man say he inaccessible, he ain't got the interview? Few. Remember, I see a man this way over years, they say anything about him, everything, bro. And not no prompt him for give a reaction, Not no prompt him for say, boy, me I go answer the brother there. So the timeline don't look sketchy. As since in forward out, Kartel me attack, you see Alkaline start getting more and more actionable. Since Kartel forward out, you see Alkaline get more and more involved with social media, whether him directly or in team, meaning his sister them will manage him. See? Other day, when I sister them that I say, I think I carry post. He must like down one river and there. You see Alkaline under there? No. You just see a one post here or there dry. He never used to try to make it look like he's sociable or the laugh or smile or nothing like that. I never that an image. Again, Bex facts are just facts. And if you're not willing to do no research and come out on feelings, we see it for yourself. Yesterday, jovial, energetic type of, online presence where, let's say, one Popcorn would have, that was never Alkaline. Yesterday, Popcorn, they run up and down a river and cook a riverside and play with the mother, Miss Rona, and they have a jolly good time, and that was never Alkaline. Yesterday, charisma and charm what Kartel have online, what can make anybody rate him in a one. We all if a bex with him this week, next week, I say, yo, John, no, dog, be a fucker, keep up with the watch. All if you don't think, say, dog can't dance or he can't do this or that thing, always have something for me feel say I'll start look into it and say, brother, I have to start the more, So again, don't get it wrong. I know this the artist, because putting out this song Key Man is actually doing more. I went last in the year I can get up and I move like I said, you have sitting for proof. So the song I want great song, But don't feel a second thing say you ain't go unprompted, I remind Uno as the fans them say, oh, I'm still there, Because before, he could have gone, dormant and drop a song here and there, and in core fan base will go and run there and whatever. But he don't want the argument or the talking point them if you get where by saying, yo, so this someone up on the sideline and dance, I'll go on the film do because see the Kartel run gone with the game and, Masicka went right behind him, said we to one. After Alkaline got tear down fourth place. Meds the man.
Fuck me a deal with now pretty altar. Do what me a do. No take killing. Thousand gal in a rotation. As a gelding. One shot in her chest.
Thousand gal in a rotation. As a gelding. Even that particular I lie about, which I think kind of smart in a sense too. Again, that seem like a private person. Wanting business online. Me feels for years Alkaline just been a lie, say, yo, a youth. Because again, think about it. Well, this a young, successful youth, yeah. You get me, I say, we don't want to go through life and don't want to have in legacy. Meaning in kids them, in youth them, children them for left back and can, show the game to, show the accomplishment them pass on to the next generation. Plus in done when saying in a ocean wave, saying up on the balcony with the youth them and show them this and that. You want can show the youth them. You get me, I say, bro, so me feel like a dog have at least one youth, if no more. And just go and keep you on the wraps. Remember, bro. People nowadays now not building up, not chilling at them, bro. Nobody now will no meds. And everybody be the same way. Maybe a one man just say, yo, fuck it, brother. Me can't take the animosity and the thought of a man I can try to put my youth them in a song or this and that and everybody it good enough, bro. So if a peace of mind, feel like youth, having youth, and just say, oh, here we private life. Fuck the media, I not put out nothing. You see me, I say, could be wrong. But if you know youth, no. Maybe I feel personal preference, no, maybe it's a medical condition, I don't know. But me feel say dog of a youth.
No them 100 but still kill for them. Someone look like warrior but them innocent.
No them not 100 but still kill for them. Someone look like a warrior but them innocent. Yeah man, so all this now again can be more than one person. If I cast a memory far back enough, that can be Jamil. Can remember again, who know history now. When the whole thing I go on with Tamili and Popcorn and all of them and song like RPG or Japanese. Remember say the same word with Jamil did have stay so forward instant disaster, First song when you hear Jamila, a cuss bad word and a show dog say, yo, me can defend myself to one take, Some people might say, yo, even both good and bad thing career because again we'll see me in one different light and know say, yo, dog tough. But for some people, for whatever reason, they may have him in a unconscious lane and they never want to hear that from him. So, again, pros and cons. But the same word, Alka did that take on Tommy Lee and Popcorn. So, when I hear dog say, yo, still kill for them. Then, fast forward to the day, remember, and I find them still speculate if him and Mavado good, this, that, or the third. So, you could also apply to Mavado. Say, look like a warrior, but them innocent. Remember, Mavado, Kartel that you see, in a picture and a laugh at again and talk and everybody nice and good and DJ Kartel and the whole works. Remember, Kartel and Mavado history way older than Mavado and Alkaline, So, bro, some man with brilliant thing there.
You're a week out if every day you get up, give a strength. Just turn up, no wait, pan fall out, what the difference? Yeah, man, say, walk the walk.
Yeah, go weak out if every day I get up, give a strength, youth. Man, I make some wicked chatting on youth. What do you man again could also apply it to Vado. Bro, shots fired, man. Yeah, bro, you don't have to wait till me fall out, man. Just turn it up front now, man. You see me, I say, they wake up every day and give a strength to people and end up weak out still, That one they can apply to Kartel to see where the guy is like Jano. But then again to that one there would have be words cause not take a front teach again.
Don't signs up, that put up. Can't fuck around, why we start? What the walk.
At the time of this recording, dog already got 100,000 views in 8 hours, so yeah man, it's a good look, man. Yeah, man, my prediction, I don't know, it's at least 250,000 views in 24 hours, if no more. And the dark song go just a climb. Everybody go tune in for hear this one, man. Be a shot fired. Yeah, man, big up to your artist, man, Alkaline. A long time I want to hear about something like this from the dark, man. You mean? And if you could have even spark something bigger to and make a song and some other artists start answer to. Jano, we miss some real war no dancehall. And if the man them could have even start. Boy, you know have to call the man government name, but Jano, man, if the artists them could have just brave up and less of the whole heap of subliminal, and everybody can go in a song like this. Fight so easy, you know, bro. But hey, making music interesting to see him here, but Jano. Man, them for just do the right answer now, man. Make who forget kicking a face, man, and who get lit on a ground, man. Hey, I hate that.